Domo Cooking. Today we're going to explain the we are going to at school we sing this song. The title is Listen to the Rhythm of the Rain. 3, 2, 1. Listen to the rhythm of the falling rain. Listen to the rhythm of the rain. Listen to the rhythm of the falling rain. Listen to the rhythm of the rain. And I can show you another part. Pitter patter, cause the rhythm of the falling rain. And the last part is so hard. It connects with so much things, so it will be so hard. But I can't sing that song. We need 3 of us. Bye. These days, my head is stuck in lots of musics, and the most stuck one is like Banana Cha-Cha and Last Christmas and Shape of You and those stuff.
Cooking.
Yeah.
You can give me some example singing one of the songs?
Okay. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, and the very next day you gave it away. This year you saved it from tears, and I gave it to someone special. Bye.